Assalamu alaikum viewers.
Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. I'm Daddy.
Today we are doing experiment. What is the experiment name?
Form a gas.
Formed a gas. Let's start the experiment. Bismillah. So what we need for today's experiment?
We need one balloon.
Yes.
Yes.
Check.
One vinegar.
Next.
And one nectar bottle. And one funnel. And this is just for like an experiment. Sorry. And this is sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate.
But this is
You
for
can see the ingredients list here. Let's start the experiment. Just take it. Put some vinegar. Now we have vinegar. Second thing we need is a balloon.
But then we have to pour some
Sodium bicarbonate.
think. Sometimes sky for kids. Right.
Pour the sodium bicarbonate.
I don't know it.
Put it all.
I'm going to keep some because you need. You know?
Sodium bicarbonate is inside the balloon now. Now we have to put the balloon in this bottle.
But this thing out is so big. It's not so big.
Yes, do it. I will help you. Done. Now the interesting part. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's flip the balloon.
In 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Sodium bicarbonate is inside the balloon. Balloon is.
The vinegar is inside, bruh.
Yes, balloon is filling up with air.
Make sure they don't stop it.
Ow! Muhammad Ahil, from today's experiment, which prophet do you remember?
I remember Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam.
MashaAllah. What about Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam?
That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give him the abilities to control wind,
Control and command the wind.
and there are more miraculous stories in Quran.
Wow, MashaAllah.
And in other experiments, I'll tell you more story about Sulaiman alayhi salam.
Inshallah. Okay, quiz time.
Yeah.
Okay, today's quiz is Lailatul Qadr means the night of. The options are A. Revelation, B. Power, C. Purity.
Be power.
Power, the night of power. Lailatul Qadr is the night of power. Okay, viewers. Allah Hafiz.